at this, it's windy today. We've had a few flies, eh Richard?
We have.
And it's really windy and it's really rough.
And
so we're going to watch Neil fly his AXN. Ooh, it sounds good. Neil's just turned up the timing on his motor. So you should get more power. Look at the grass, eh? It's starting to get a bit silvery, as you do when you've got a lot of wind. Little man with a camera over here.
Everybody's watching.
Well, hold on, now it's time to watch Neil. Here we go. More power, Neil. More power, Neil. Woo! Seems to be going all right now. And look at this collection of multi-rotors here today. Beautiful. Here's Brent's MX2. He smacked it up, so he's put a new motor in it, new servos, taking the wheel spats off.
Oh, did you get a new cow?
Well, he's gone. Where'd he go? Oh. Look at that, eh? What a beautiful landing from Neil. He's happy. So over here, Brent's got a new plane, but it's an old one. It's a Texumo. He smacked his other one up killing ponies, and now he's got a new one, but we haven't got any ponies today, so we'll have to hit something else with it. And you saw it before, but here's Barry's P51. And we've run the motor up. It's had a couple of, well, 3 or 4 runs. We've put all the gear in, it's got the fail-safe set. Everything works the right way, I hope. And Barry's really keen to test fly it, but got a bit of a crosswind today. Bit of a crosswind, it's a bit blustery. If I take my hand off the camera, you can probably hear the wind noise. Here you go. And look at these big dark clouds over here, so might not be the best day for a test flight. Oh, Brent, test fly your Texumo, man.
I'm just waiting for a pony to turn up, mate, so I can crash this one into it.
Stop equining.
Just depends how quick my reactions are.
So here we are, look at this. This is what happens at the South Waikato. We have 2 transmitters and a lead, and we do buddy boxing, and we teach people how to crash in our own inimitable style.
That's right.
And Brent's just waiting. Oh no, he's going to illustrate yourself, man.
Nice. Into it, I mean, bloomin' heck.
So what's going on here? If you look in here, you see we've got a piece of aluminum or aluminium, depending on which country you come from, piece of aluminium in an acid bath, and some batteries and wires and things. A little bit of bubbling going on there. And what are we doing? Well, we're actually doing some tests. We're going to anodize some aluminium. And what are we going to anodize? Well, let's go outside and have a look. Here we go. Look at this intricate piece. Oh, I just missed something. Oh, you can hear the noise. But it's pretty windy today. And look, this is what we're looking at anodizing, or Wayne's going to anodize. Look at it. Look how intricate this is. This is his new multi-rotor chassis, I suppose you call it. Look at this. It's all been CNC milled out of aluminum, and I think he wants to make it all nice, pretty colours by anodizing it. So look at that, eh? It's pretty heavy, I must say, but certainly pretty. Shines in the sun. Looks shiny, lovely. So keep you informed on that one.
He's 2.4 gig.
No long wire, eh?
No, he says it's on 40 megahertz.
No scratching, no scratching.
It is Barry's aerial. Barry's aerial. See that? Oops, there it is. It's Barry's aerial, built into his hat. Some really cool clouds today. This is one of the better ones. The motor doesn't sound very good. making fun of other people's flying. That's just not on, Barry. We don't do that here. Barry, we don't make fun of people. Look at him. Gets his own YouTube channel, thinks he's a... Look at this. We're all walking over here because when that multi-rotor went down, it went down because one of the blades came off one of the propellers. Look.
Yeah, but this one kept flying.
This one kept flying. The last one fell. Look at which one is it? Oh,
The green one.
oh, the green one. Yeah. Look at that, eh? Beautiful. Where'd you get these props?
Matt from Kiwi RC.
Oh, but not say that. Where does he get them?
I have no idea.
Oh, okay. So the green one.
Yes.
Yeah, don't buy the green ones, folks.
Or the black ones.
Or the black ones. Or the ones with the holes in the middle. There we go. So it's a bit of CA. We'll be back in the air. We're not allowed to do that.
Looks like it's going to be a donor now. For the other one. Yeah.
Apparently we're very lucky we weren't flying in Rotorua. That would have killed someone, apparently. Would have flown a quarter of a mile and gone through someone's neck. Oh no!
Yes, and I wasn't flying the circuit.
You wasn't flying a circuit. But you had a whole lot of observers, I can tell you that.
That's right.
See, observers don't add to safety at all.
And I complied with rule number 3.
You did, he told
you I was
us.
going to crash.
He said he was going to crash, and true to his word. Although you did it behind the car, I couldn't see it. Dang. So we're just going to issue with a suspension, not a complete expulsion. Beauty, you got some left though, eh? Let's keep going. 2 down, how many to go? Stop!